So this is how AI would redesign iconic brand logos. So I presume somebody asked AI. They said, hey, redo Adidas, but better. Redo Starbucks, but better. Redo Pepsi's hilarious.
Who is that? Luke Skywalker?
No, it's Mr. Pepsi, obviously.
Okay. Yeah, they're not that great, eh? Maybe Starbucks?
Maybe Starbucks.
Yeah.
I asked Midjourney V5 to describe some logos to see how it would create prompts for them and to see what it would create in response. Here is Starbucks. Let's get some feedback. Not bad. I don't know.
This one is probably the best one.
I'd drink that coffee.
Yeah.
It seems similar enough to the current one. It's in the same universe.
Uh-huh.
It's zoomed in a little bit. Apple is weird. Like, what? I don't know.
Something about earthy. The world.
It got very multicolored.
Inclusive.
I'm not huge on any of those Apple ones, personally. No. Twitter gets a lot of polygons, and those all suck. Midjourney.
You don't mind this one?
Adidas, I don't know. It's simple in the sense that it's not that many lines. I just don't know how you show this off on a number of different items because it has so much gradient funkiness going on.
It's very sharp.
Yes, it will cut you.
Yeah. Not very friendly.
Yeah, no. Pepsi is amazing. Like, that is... Can you imagine if the global Pepsi logo changed to that?
Well, they did it for KFC.
Worldwide. Yeah, I know, but do they have a kernel? Does Pepsi have a kernel? Also, what's up with his right shoulder?
It's the mountain in which he was born in.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Somebody says, is that John Pepsi? I don't know who all that is. Avengers, it just like screws around with the shape of the A.
This is more appropriate.
But that's easy, I think, by comparison.
Fantasy?
Yeah, and sci-fi.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is it? Avengers sci-fi? I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I guess so.
I guess.
Whatever. They go to space.
Firefox kind of looks like the actual Firefox. Is he normally looking away from you like that?
Yeah. Yeah. It looks like the same thing, except for more colors.
It's not bad. Yeah. What the hell is that? Spotify. A glob.
Weird.
I don't mind it. Futuristic for sure.
Yeah.
Microsoft, Adobe. Well, anyway, there's a bunch to look at. Yeah, I'm sure AI will be doing all of this really soon. If this is your business designing these things. AI will be doing it.